Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2000 code? This code means the NOx trap, also known as the lean NOx catalyst on bank 2, is not reducing harmful exhaust gases efficiently. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle's emissions will increase, fuel efficiency may drop, and the car may fail an emission test while also affecting long-term engine performance. P2000 stands for NOx trap efficiency below threshold, bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the NOx catalyst on the second cylinder bank is not cleaning nitrogen oxide gases properly. The NOx trap is a critical emission component designed to store and convert harmful NOx gases into less harmful substances. This problem is commonly found in modern diesel engines and some direct injection vehicles equipped with advanced emission systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, increased exhaust emissions, reduced fuel efficiency, slight engine power loss, and in some cases, limp mode activation. Sometimes the vehicle may drive normally, but internally the emission control efficiency is below the required threshold. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The NOx trap or lean NOx catalyst for bank 2 is located in the exhaust system underneath the vehicle, typically after the turbocharger and near or before the main catalytic converter on the bank to exhaust side. It appears as a large metal canister integrated into the exhaust pipe. The NOx sensor is mounted directly on the exhaust pipe either before or after the NOx catalyst and includes a sensor probe with a control module and wiring harness connected to the ECU. The exhaust temperature sensor is usually installed on the exhaust manifold, turbo outlet, or close to the catalytic converter to monitor exhaust heat and catalyst performance. Oxygen sensors are positioned before and after the catalytic converter in the exhaust system to help the ECU compare exhaust gas readings and detect efficiency issues. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data using an OBD-II scanner and check NOx sensor values, catalyst efficiency data, and exhaust temperature readings. Then inspect the exhaust system for leaks, cracks, or loose connections before the NOx catalyst because leaks can cause incorrect efficiency readings. After that, carefully inspect the NOx sensor wiring and connectors under the vehicle since they are exposed to heat, moisture, and road debris. If the NOx trap catalyst is clogged with soot or carbon buildup, it will not function properly and may require cleaning or replacement. Finally, repair or replace the faulty sensor, damaged wiring, or weak catalyst, clear the fault code, and perform a proper road test to ensure the code does not return. Remember, the most common causes of P2000 are a faulty NOx sensor, exhaust leaks, or a deteriorated NOx catalyst on bank 2. Fixing the issue on time will restore emission efficiency, improve fuel economy, and maintain proper engine performance.